welcome back. It's Vlogmas day, period. So I'm just gonna sit y'all right here. For one, I'm gonna be setting up. Well, I'm already set up. I have a client coming at 12, a little past 12, but I'm just waiting for her to get here. And one more thing, y'all remember when I said my ring light broke? Guess what just showed up today? It showed up a whole day early. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna open this now because I really need it. It's so crazy that it came today, and it's like my first appointment. But my client said she's gonna be, well, she's 10 minutes away, and it's already 12 o'clock basically, y'all. So I be having to tell people early in advance that I'm gonna need to apply a late fee if you already 10 minutes behind, because I give you a grace period of 10 minutes. So if you arrive after 10 minutes, you gotta give me a $15 fee. But if you know, if you make it here before like 12 or 8 or whatever, 12, 11, I'm trying to open this, y'all. Watch me struggle. It's right here because I can't. There's so many pieces of like, I hope everything. If you guys watched my vlog yesterday, you saw the new like camera stuff I have. I'm gonna be using that as well. Just trying to get everything. But yeah, let's put this together. So guys, do y'all see this? I'm too excited to use this. I'm trying to hurry and make it before my client gets it. I'm gonna put all this back in this box. I don't want junk everywhere. But I'm about to put the lights in here. It seems like it came with everything though. That's a very good sign. I saw some mixed, I think this goes up here. I'm not sure, y'all. Okay, let's just put the lights in there. So it came with 2 lights. If y'all know about Neewer, they give y'all like a lot of stuff. Only thing it didn't come with is the bag, so whatever. So I'm gonna put the lights in real quick. If y'all saw my last ring light, it was so broke. Like, it only had this.